Hey there, Tad Hargrave here from the Fairfield Mall here in St. Catharines, and just missed my bus by about 5 minutes or 2 minutes or something. So I thought I'd sit down and make some videos. I'm here in one of those massage chairs, which is the comfiest thing here, and nobody's using it, so why not? Today's video is a puttering session case study, and this is a fellow I work with, and he does a lot of work around play, helping people engage more in play, bring more play into their lives. It's beautiful work that he does. And he was really struggling with this niche because there were so many things it could help with. It can help people who are shy, get out of their shell. It can help people who lack confidence. It can help people who are a little too uptight. It can also help couples and, relationships, bringing play into that. It can help community building. It can help people who've gone through trauma, who are struggling with addiction. There's so many things that play can help with. So if you imagine, there's this boat called play, and that boat can go from one island A to B, but also C, D, E, F, G, and it can get very confusing of what's the journey that I want to help people with, given that it's useful for so many journeys. So in that kind of a situation, you have a couple choices. One is you pick one of them. Maybe it's because that's been your wound and this is where play has helped you the most. And so you just really hone in. I'm going to help, shy guys come out of their shell, or I'm going to help struggling relationships heal by bringing more play into their life. You could do that. But the other thing that occurred to me in our conversation was that I said, what if you you did the train the trainer model? And so actually, instead of focusing on the clients, you were focusing more on what might have been the hubs. And so you reach out to trauma therapists, somatic healers, addiction counselors, relationship coaches, and they were the ones you promoted. And you said, look, play is something that you can add into all of your practices. You're a dating coach. You could certainly bring more play into this. You're a holistic practitioner and you're burning out. You could bring more play into your sessions, but also into your life so that you're not burning out. You could be focusing on the people who might have ordinarily been hubs for your clients, and they become the client themselves. So anyways, that's the direction that he's going to be experimenting with. We'll see how that goes. But it might be something to think about for yourself. If you've just been struggling with your niche and you can't get it because there's so many options, I often say, nobody gives a shit about your boat, but you may be able to find a way to sell the boat and just say, hey, for all of you people who are out there doing this work, this boat is another modality to add to your skill set that could really help. So anyways, that's the short little puttering session case study. Hopefully that's useful. If you're interested in a puttering session yourself, go to marketingforhippies.com/puttering, and you'll find the link with the write-up and all that's involved. And of course, thanks for watching my videos. Feel free to share them in your Facebook groups and with colleagues or friends where you think this might be useful. If you know somebody who does play therapy of any kind, maybe forward this to them. And marketingforhippies.com is my website. Thanks everyone. Take care.